Okay. Good morning, my dear pupils. Welcome to the third lesson of online teaching. So, as usual, before we start today's lesson, let's make a quick review about some places at school and some prepositions of place. So, first of all, there are many places at school. We have, for example, the classroom, the biology lab, the physics lab, the library, the sports ground, the canteen, etc. And some preposition of place, for example, on, in, behind, between, opposite or in front of, etc. Now, this is Tom. Tom is a British pupil who is a new friend of Sandy. He wants to know more about your school subject here in Algeria and your schedule. Before we start today's lesson, let me ask you some questions. Number one, who is your teacher of Arabic? Number two, who is your teacher of English? Who is your teacher of French? And who is your teacher of math? Okay. 1 minute. Try to answer these 4 questions. Okay. I will give you an example. For example, my teacher of Arabic is Miss Amel. My teacher of English, like me, is Mr. Murad. My teacher of French is Mrs. Nisma. And finally, my teacher of math is Mr. Yassin. So, what do you mean by Arabic, English, French, math, etc.? Now, I will show you a short video about the different school subjects. Now, I invite you to watch this video and try to take notes.
English Sing. School subjects.
What subject are you studying in the school? What is your favorite subject?
English. English. My favorite subject is English.
Math. Math. I like math.
Science. Science. I love science.
Geography. Geography. My favorite subject is geography.
History. History. I like history. Art. Art. I love art. Music.
Music. We love music. Computer. Computer. My favorite subject is computer.
PE. PE. We love PE.
Review.
Art.
Computer.
English.
Geography.
History. Math. Music. PE. Science.
Okay, now, my dear pupils, what are the different subjects that you study in your school? What are the different subjects that you study in your school? For example, we have English, art, math, geography, physical education, or PE. PE or physical education. Synonym of sport. We can say PE or physical education or sport. We have also history, science or biology. Science or biology. So the synonym of PE is sport, science or biology. Wonderful. We have also computer science and music. We are going to see these differences in details. These are some school subjects. Now we are going to see all these subjects in details. Let's start with the first picture. Can you guess these subjects? For example, here we have numbers 1, 2, plus, etc. Can you guess this subject? Yes, it is maths. Second picture. What is this subject? Can you guess? Okay. This subject? Very good. It is biology or science. You can say science or biology. Let's move on. Okay. For example, these pupils are using their computers. So, can you guess this subject? Wonderful. It's computer science. The following picture. Okay. Can you guess this picture? It is in the physics lab, so excellent. Physics. The following picture. Can you guess this subject? Eiffel Tower. Okay, it is French. The following picture, what is my subject? Very good, it is English. Following picture, can you guess this subject? It's your subject, Arabic. Wonderful. The following picture, okay, can you guess it? It's history. Okay. Following picture, can you guess this? For example, we have the globe here. It's geography. Wonderful. The following picture, it is the Quran. So, can you guess this subject? It's Islamic education. Islamic education. Okay. Following picture. The subject, for example, where you study your rights, duties, etc. Can you guess it? It's civic education. Civic education. Okay. The following picture. Can you guess this subject? For example, when you draw, it's arts. Following picture, for example, here we have the piano, the violin. Wonderful, it's music. Following picture, what do you practice generally? Very good, sport or PE or physical education. Now, what does this picture represent? What does this picture represent? Okay, we call it schedule or timetable. So, the synonym of schedule is timetable. Timetable. Now, dear pupils, take your books on page 107. Page 107. And have a look at the schedule of Omar. So this is the schedule of Omar. For example, on Sunday he has Arabic, math, biology, physics. This is in the morning. In the afternoon, for example, he has Tamazight, English and French. So this is the timetable of Omar. So have a look at this timetable. Now, I look and speak about my class schedule. So please, my dear pupil, listen to Omar. Hi. So, I look at the timetable or the schedule, okay, and speak about my class schedule. Listen please. Hi, on Tuesdays at 9 a.m. I have geography. On Tuesdays at 9 a.m. I have geography. At 9 a.m. I have geography. On Mondays from 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. I practice sports. So, on Mondays from 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. I practice sport. Now, I will give you 2 minutes, my dear pupils. Have a look at the timetable and try to answer these 3 questions. Number 1, what do you have on Monday? What do you have on Monday? It means which subjects? Number 2, when do you have English? When do you have English? When? Which days? The last one, you have direct question. It means you answer with yes or no. Do you have maths on Thursday? Do you have maths on Thursday? So, have a look at this schedule. I will give you 3 minutes. Try to answer these questions. Okay, now let's correct together. So, what do you have on Monday? What do you have on Monday? On Monday, okay, let's go back. Yeah. On Monday, I have French, maths, history, biology. This is in the morning. In the afternoon, from 2 p.m. to 4 p.m., I practice sport. So on Monday's morning, I have French, maths, history, biology. This is in the morning. In the afternoon, from 2 p.m. to 4 p.m., I have sport, or I practice sport. Okay? Second question, when do you have English? When do you have English? Let's go back. Okay. I have English on Sunday. I have English on Sunday at 3 p.m. Also, I have English on Thursday. I have English on Thursday at 3 p.m. So, I have English on Sunday and Thursday. Wonderful. The last question, do you have maths? Do you have maths on Thursday? Do you have maths on Thursday? No, I don't. No, I don't. Do you have math on Thursday? Okay. No, I don't. Now, let's state the rule. On, in, at are prepositions of time. In, on, at are prepositions of time. Let's start with the first preposition of time. We use in with the parts of the day. For example, we say in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. Don't say, for example, on the morning. Say in the morning. Also, we use it with the months of the year. We say, for example, in February, in March, in April, etc. Also, we use in with the 4 seasons. We have 4 seasons. For example, we say in winter, in spring, in summer, in autumn, etc. Finally, we use it also with the years. For example, we say in 2018, in 2015, etc. Let's move on to on. We use preposition of time on with the days of the week. We have 7 days in the week. We say, for example, on Sunday, on Monday, etc. We don't say in Sunday, in Monday. Also, we use on with the date. For example, we say on May 5th, on September 10th, etc. We use it also with special time. For example, we say on my birthday, on weekday, on holiday. Number 3, at. We use the preposition of time at with time. For example, we say at 6 a.m. For example, I get up at 6 a.m. At 10 a.m. At noon. At midnight, etc. So, now let's practice more about these prepositions of time. Task 1. I will give you 2 minutes. Have a look at this task. I fill in the gaps. You have gaps. Try to fill in the gaps with in, on, at, to, from. I have English, gap, Monday, gap, 9 a.m. Second sentence. Emel has sport, gap, 1 p.m., gap, 3 p.m. Third sentence. My father likes reading books, gap, night. Number 4. What do you do, gap, the morning? Okay, so here you are going to fill in these gaps with these prepositions of time. So you have 2 minutes. Time is up. So let's correct together. First sentence. I have English on Monday. Use on with days of the week at 9 a.m. Why? Because time. Second sentence. Emel has sport from to. From 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. Emel has sport from 1 a.m. to 3 p.m. Third sentence. My father likes reading at night. My father likes reading at night. We don't say in night or on night. The last sentence, what do you do in the morning? What do you do in the morning? Not at the morning or on the morning, etc. Okay? Now, let's move on to, please take your books on page 114. I look at the example, here you have an example, and do the same. You have this schedule of exam, or timetable of exam. So you have this example, try to follow it. For example, A, when do we have the English exam? When do we have the English exam? For example, on Tuesday. Do we have it in the morning? It here refer to English exam. Do we have it in the morning? This is yes or no question. No, we don't. It's in the afternoon. So you have these examples. Try to okay, so you have this example. Try to change the school subject, for example, English, Arabic, Math, etc. For example, here, I have English on which day? Tuesday. So you have 3 minutes. I look at the example and do the same. So think about it. Time is up, so let's correct. For example, let's choose the subject Arabic. When do we have the Arabic exam? When do we have the Arabic exam? Okay, so on which day? On Sunday. For example, when do we have the Arabic exam? B. On Sunday. Do we have it in the morning? Do we have it in the morning? At 8 a.m. Yes, we do. Do we have it in the morning? Yes, we do. Let's choose another subject. For example, biology. When do we have the biology exam? When do we have the biology exam? Okay, which day? On Monday. Very good. So, when do we have the biology exam? On Monday. Do we have it in the morning? Do we have it in the morning? No, we don't. We have it in the afternoon. Very good. So, do we have it in the morning? No, we don't. It's in the afternoon. It's in the afternoon. Wonderful. Thank you. Now, okay, now my dear pupils, let's sing this song together. Songs are one of the best ways to improve your English. So try to listen to this song. Okay.
What's your favorite subject? What's your favorite subject? What's your favorite subject? What's your favorite subject? I like math and science. I like art and music. I like drama and English. I like history and social science. What's your favorite subject? What's your favorite subject? What's your favorite subject? What's your favorite subject? I like geography and PE. I like mechanics and computers. I like philosophy and religions. I like cooking and creative writing. What's your favorite subject? What's your favorite subject? Frog.
Well, now it's your turn to talk about your school subject and schedule using the right prepositions of time that you have learned, for example, in, on, and at. Use the following dialogue as an example. Okay? For example, you and your partner, what do you have Monday morning? Your partner, we have, etc. So we are going to use your schedule. Me, where do you have English? When do you have English? Your partner. We have it when? Which day? At what time? When do you have sport? When do you practice sport? Which day? We have it on at. Here you give me the day and the time. The last one, when do you practice it? It means when do you practice sport? We practice it. The last one here, where you give me the place. Wonderful. So you have 5 minutes. Think about it. You have this dialogue as an example. Okay. Try to use your schedule. You have 5 minutes. Think about it. Okay, time is up. Now let's correct together. For example, me. What do you have on Monday morning? What do you have on Monday morning? Here we use preposition on. My partner, we have, for example, math, Arabic, and French. This is in the morning. Now, when do you have English? When do you have English? My partner, we have it on Sunday at 9 a.m. We have it on Sunday, use only days, at 9 a.m. the time. When do you have sport? When do you practice sport? My partner, we have it on Wednesday at 9 p.m. We have it means sport, on Wednesday at 2 p.m. The last question, Where do you practice it? Where do you practice it? Here we have the place. Me and my partner, sorry, we have it in the sport ground. We have it in the sport ground. Now just 2 minutes, write down the correction please. Okay. Thank you so much, my dear pupils. See you the next lesson, inshallah.
شكرا على المشاهدة. لا تنسوا الاشتراك في القناة، الضغط على الجرس، الإعجاب بالفيديو.